Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable responsive design assets in Figma, full guide step by step clearly. To enable responsive design assets in Figma, start by opening your Figma project. Select the frame or component you want to apply response. Look for the right sidebar, where you will find the Design tab. Under the Constraints section, you'll see options for how elements resize. Adjust the constraints for your selected element based on its positioning. Choose from options like left, right, top, bottom, or center alignment. This will determine how the element responds when its parent frame is resized. Next, to create a layout that adapts to different sizes, consider using Auto Layout. Select your frame and click on the plus icon next to Auto Layout in the right sidebar. After adding Auto Layout, you can define padding and spacing rules for the elements inside. Then, adjust the resizing behavior for elements within the auto layout. Choose between fixed, hug contents, or fill container based on your design requirement. To test your responsive design, use the Scale tool to resize the frame. Observe how the elements adapt according to the constraints and layout settings you've applied. If necessary, make adjustments to ensure everything appears as intended in different sizes. Remember to utilize the preview mode to see how your design functions on various devices. By following these steps, you will successfully enable responsive design assets in Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.